Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreya Chalana and if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel below. So आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक प्रोडक्ट लेकर आई हूँ which is a life savior product and उनके लिए है जिनको वैक्सीन से डर लगता है and वो पेन को नहीं बियर कर सकते, उसके लिए मैं ये प्रोडक्ट लेकर आई हूँ. So let me show you the product. Let's jump into the video. So this is Namyaa hair removal cream. So it comes with a hair removal cream and a wax serum. So it's a hair removal cream and it comes with a spatula or you can say a plier from which you can apply and remove the cream and hair as well. And it comes with a wax serum which you are meant to be used after removing the hair. So this product is exclusively designed for your intimate hairlines like bikini hairs, armpits, upper lips and etc. Also it removes hair just in 5 minutes. Isn't it a God savior? The cream is super effective and has international standards. Also, Namyaa is an Indian brand which has international standards and I highly recommend you guys to try this cream. So go and get yours. The link is in the description box. Go and check it out. So this was all for the video guys. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. And do tell me in the comment section, will you try this or not, and what are your views on this hair removal cream.